Looking for a home in Sicily without spending a fortune? Today I'm showing you 3 charming properties for under 50,000 euros, all with serious potential, and a bonus deal at the end that gives you 2 homes for just 20,000 euros. First up is this adorable stone house in the heart of Ragusa for just 34,000 euros. Located on Via Giusti, it's set in one of the most beautiful Baroque towns in Sicily. Inside you'll find classic ceilings, 2 bedrooms, and authentic tilework throughout. It's got a cozy, lived-in vibe, and with just a little updating, the place could easily become your full-time home, holiday getaway, or long-term rental. If you were really focused on investment, you could even divide it into 2 separate units. If you're looking for a mix of character and progress, this half-renovated house listed for 35,000 euros might be the sweet spot. The structural work is already underway, with new walls, fresh plaster, and updated systems, so you get a head start without giving up the creative freedom to finish it your way. It's perfect for someone who wants to step into a project without starting from scratch. This next one is all about location and potential. Listed at only 32,000 euros, it's perched on Corso Mazzini, with breathtaking views from the top floor and a brand new roof already installed, a major bonus if you want to avoid a costly renovation. Picture a top-floor artist studio, a cozy reading nook by the window, or a rooftop terrace where you sip wine as the sun sets over the valley. And now for the bonus deal. 2 homes close to each other with stunning views for just 20,000 euros being sold together by the same owner. Both need a full renovation, but the price is unbeatable. Whether you're dreaming of a guest house setup, rental pair, or community lifestyle project, this gives you double the potential for a fraction of the usual cost. If you're curious about buying in Sicily, hit subscribe and check out my other videos where I break down what to look for, how to renovate affordably, and what it's really like to own a home here. And if you're ready to take the next step, I also created a beginner-friendly course that guides you through the entire process from A to Z, including how to estimate renovation costs, navigate local bureaucracy, avoid common mistakes, and feel confident buying abroad. I'm Shalise, and I help people like you find beautiful, affordable homes in Sicily. See you in the next one.